Another beautiful morning. Still map extract, map work, the lesson, and we are continuing to fight for those 25 marks. Should know this map extract, map work is so practical that you need to practice on your own. Put what you have learned here in practice. So today we are going to look at the following: how to describe economic activities. How to describe economic activities on a map. Somebody brings you or gives you a question. Describe the economic activities carried out in CAISO, giving evidence. One wants you to describe the economic activities taking place in CAISO, but with evidence. You look onto your map, tell if you are someone, if you are in CAISO and you have the above futures, what could be the economic activities in that area? The first economic activity I can tell is, of course, there is fishing. There is fishing in CAISO map extract. So what shows that there is fishing? Due to the existence of Lake Albert. So once you see a water body, a lake, a river, the first thing that should come into your mind is fishing is being carried out. Of course, fishing can be carried out on the water body or sometimes in the swamp. Fishing was some small fish species like mud fish in the swamp. But with this big water body, a variety of fish species. So you can say that there is fishing due to the existence of Lake Albert. But where have you seen it? In which direction this? You say in the northeast of CAISO map extract. Northeast of map extract. So what they want is fishing as an economic activity, then where it is being carried out on the lake. Lake is the evidence. The existence of the lake indicates that there is fishing in CAISO here. The other thing we can identify is, once we have a water body, we all know that we also have water transport. Water transport evidenced by Lake Albert. Where is it found? This one is also found in the northeast of CAISO. So that is another economic activity being carried out. You can also as well use other places, because on the map extract there will be very many places. You say nearby maybe Kireka or nearby Hoima, or so you use some words to describe what you want. I believe we have already noticed those economic activities. So what other economic activities can we identify? What other economic activities can we identify? You'll be thinking, according to this map extract of KAIS, according to KAISO map extract, I am seeing that there is transport and communication. That's another economic activity. Evidence, it is evidenced by the Hoima Road. Evidenced by Hoima Road. Of course, this one is found in which direction is this? It is found in south east and southwest of KAISO. That is another economic activity. Check and see other economic activities. If you have a forest, what can we say? Still transport, there is trade and commerce, of course. Trade and commerce along that road, along Hoima KAISO Road. Of course, there are very many activities, there are very many economic activities that are usually carried out or done along the road. Along the road, we have so many economic activities. The vendors, roadside traders, the roadside sellers, they all put their merchandise along the road. So whenever you see a road, we are sure that along any road there is also trade and commerce. However, the other evidence for trade and commerce could be a trading center. Sometimes in other map extracts, you'll find areas with the big trading centers. Trading centers in the map extract will be indicated by letter TC to refer to trading centers. Such areas are also areas of big trade and commerce. There is a lot of trade and commerce also taking place in such areas. So there are many things, there are many other evidences that can tell trade and commerce, but for the case of today, the road, we are going to use the road as our evidence. But this one is also found it is seen in the south of KAISO. In the south of KAISO. So that one is an evidence, another evidence of trade and another evidence of trade and commerce. What else can we see? In this map extract, there is also another economic activity of lumbering. Lumbering as an economic activity is being carried out. It is being carried out where? In KAISO. Evidenced by what? Evidenced by a large forest in the west of KAISO near Kireka. Near Kireka. So we are referring to this as another source, another type of economic activity. To remind you a bit, we are still describing different economic activities being carried out in this map extract. How to describe economic activities, and you must have evidences for each and every economic activity that you are talking about. We have some more economic activities in KAISO. There is art and craft, of course, due to the existence of the swamp. Papyrus, making of papyrus mats. That is art and craft. And also, the swamp sometimes evidence bricklaying. So we have art and craft along what? Along the different swamps, both the season and permanent swamps, near what? Near Lake Albert. Which direction? This one is in the northeast of KAISO. So there you are describing economic activities, and I believe we are together there. So economic activities are very many. Although some are not in this map extract. Other economic activities that you should not include. Other economic activities we should not include what? They include settlement. They include tourism. Of course, to know that there is tourism, you will look for things to do with the resort centers, hotels, etc. Other economic activities we can talk about is industrialization, you will see some industries, e.g. factories. For instance, a coffee factory, maybe a sugar factory, are all evidences of industrialization. And once you note that in the map export there is a coffee factory, a sugar factory, what should come into your mind is also there is agriculture. There is a crop growing. The evidence is still maybe a sugar plantation, maybe a coffee plantation, cotton ginneries, etc. They are all evidences of crop growing. Other economic activities we have not talked about is mining. From mineral works, the evidence is mineral works. When you see, if you come across a mineral works in the map extract, you will tell the examiner that there is also mining taking place. This can go hand in hand with another one, which is stone quarrying. Stone quarrying is also one of the economic activities that takes place in different places. The evidence is a quarry. If there is a quarry in the map, then you will be able to tell that there is a stone quarrying. So briefly, be able to note the above economic activities. So I believe we are together.